Guys, no be small thing. Welcome back to another video from your boy Vicky. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Last night was massive in London. It was a lovely moment. Davido was live for Pastor Tobi, Obi Cubana, KC, Imoni, Shenkuti, Zlatan, Bill. A lot of Nigerian artists was outside for Pastor Tobi last night in London. Happy birthday to Pastor Tobi. Before we take a look at the lovely moment they had, the video performance and all that, let's talk about Omah Lay. Omah Lay, e be like say Omah Lay no get respect for him OGs. So Davido is your OG, and David bought one. You went and buy two. Hey, I recently shared a video for you guys of Davido splashing a whopping sum of about $160,000 to add a Cybertruck to the Rolls Royce wey him buy. He want them to ship them together back to Nigeria. And guess what? After Davido bought one Cybertruck, Omah Lay have mind. Omah Lay knows, say, okay, fine, since Davido bought one, let me just buy one. Let me respect Obi. Omah Lay went and buy two. Bro, Omah Lay splashed a whopping sum of $160,000 times two. I think let's check how much Omah Lay bought those two cars. $160,000 times two. That's giving you $320,000. Then we want to check it. Naira is about 1,700 and something, but let's just check it at a rate of 1,700 times 1,700. We are having Omah Lay splashed a whopping sum of 544 million naira to acquire himself two Cybertruck. Bro, congratulations to him, but Omah Lay, you should have buy one. David bought one. Buy one now. Just like kind of you're disrespecting David. Davido bought one and you went and buy two. That's, by the way, congratulations to him. I beg, we had it from the seed this money. Let them tell us. So we are one from the seed this money. You people should tell us so we can as well go carry our own. What's your thought on Omah Lay splashing a whopping sum of 544 million naira to acquire himself two Cybertrucks? Currently, the cars are on their way back to Nigeria. This was confirmed by the car dealer. You can see this was the post they made. They said, "We just sealed a deal on another brand new Tesla Cybertruck. This customer just ordered two Cybertruck from us. Now we have got three Cybertrucks going out to Lagos. One is Davido's own, two is Omah Lay's own." And they were like, guess the artist, because they did not input the artist's name from what they wrote. And you can see someone via the comment section said Omah Lay, and the car dealer said, "Send your account, here you won." They said the guy did correct, saying Omah Lay na him get the two Cybertrucks. That was how we knew that Omah Lay na him be the real owner of the Cybertrucks. Congratulations to him. What's your thoughts on that? Let me know via the comment section. I told you guys last night was massive in London. Davido was outside for Pastor Tobi, Zlatan, Bill, Obi Cubana. A lot of Nigerian celebrities was outside for him last night. Let's take a look at some moments they had in Davido's performance. You guys can see that.
Mommy! Love you, mommy! You're so beautiful! I'm Baba, I'm born again because I will born again.
Baby.
Guys, no be small thing. I'll give the video pause here. They really had an amazing moment last night in London at Pastor Tobi's birthday. Happy birthday to Pastor Tobi. What's your thought on all? Let me know via the comment box section. On Omah Lay splashing a whopping sum of $320,000, approximately 544 million naira, to acquire himself 2 cyber trucks at the same time. I told you guys, Omah Lay Davido bought one. You went and buy 2. Omah Lay, get respect for your OGs, Joe. That's by the way, guys. What's your thought? Let me know via the comment box section. On Omah Lay splashing that lot of money at the same time on 2 cyber trucks. What do you guys think? What do you guys think that might have made Omah Lay to buy 2 at the same time? Because the same cars. How is he going to drive the 2 at the same time? What do you guys think about that? Let me know via the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification button to always get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I remain your favorite Big Vicky. I'm out.